and I am back with yet another quick and easy hair video. If you are new here, I am Genesis and welcome to my channel. With this hairstyle, I am starting off with freshly washed hair, and guess what? My husband washed it. Yes, he washed it for the first time in our kitchen sink. It was just a different video which turned out to be relaxing. So anyway, if you are interested in seeing that video, leave a comment below and I just might upload it. So while he washed my hair, we deep conditioned with rice water for 10 minutes. My hair currently has conditioner and oil in it for moisture for this style. I'm gonna go ahead and try to whip all of this hair into a mohawk. Right, let's get this started. I started off brushing the sides and the back of my hair up. You want to apply edge control or your favorite gel to the perimeter and brush it up again to smooth. Now, as you see, you want to gather the hair up and bobby pin it down so that your hair doesn't fall. You can even put the back part into a high ponytail and just shape the front with bobby pins how you want. Continue smoothing the hair with gel and bobby pin it down. Time to lay your edges. If you've seen my previous videos, you know my edges do not stay laid long. It's really a shame, so I'm just tying down my hair with my silk scarf for a few minutes. This hairstyle is really so simple, so easy. It's not meant to look perfect. It's supposed to look like a natural hairstyle, and I honestly love it. It was so easy. It's a protective style that keeps my hair off of my shoulders, and I'm not doing much manipulation. I love it. But it actually looks so much better in person. This looks like trash. Here it just looks like it's all clumped together, but it's okay. We got through the very scares of my husband washing my hair for the first time, and must I say, he really did a great job. He really did. Us using the As I Am coconut co-wash was really good. It had my curls really defined. Again, I don't really think you guys can see it that much here, but it looks really good in person. But nevertheless, I would use that coconut co-wash again. I would use my husband's hands to wash my hair again because that felt like a massage. Alright y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment down below and subscribe. Put on your post notifications so that you can be notified anytime I post. This has been so much fun so far, and I really do appreciate all the love and support that I have received from all of my friends and family. So thank y'all so much. Go ahead and subscribe and share. Have a good day. Alright, bye.